it's your boy Money Man, stepping on the set. Got the hottest drops, ain't no room for regret. Sneakers, gadgets, toys that'll blow your mind. Reviews so fire, leave a comment behind. They call me the curator, the king of the hype. Unboxing the future, shining the light. Jordans are Yeezys, the latest iPhone release. I break down the specs, putting your doubts at ease. Tech that amazing, features galore. Durability tested, straight out
Sliding on in this thing, man. Hey, what's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Man coming back to you again from, you already know what it is. It's the set. Today, bro, like, it took me a while to get this sneaker. Like, 100% took me a while to get it. Albeit I wasn't really trying really hard to get it. But I was just gonna get any random colorway that came out. But when I seen these joints right here in that ruby red colorway, man, I already knew I had to have them because everybody's been screaming about how comfortable this shoe is. And I can 100% attest to that these are stupid comfortable. Again, I've been on the quest to finding the perfect sneaker to just wear on a day-to-day basis because number one, I'm not as active as I used to be. I don't play ball anymore, albeit I want to start trying to play ball again, but these bum-ass knees, bro, they don't be, yeah. But we gonna fix that though, because I might need a knee replacement or something, but we gotta get out there and get back active, bro. But anyway, I waited long enough, man. Finally hit on a pair of the AE ones in the ruby red colorway, aka Georgia Dog. Of course, we know AE Anthony Edwards attended the University of Georgia Bulldogs. That's how we gonna get down on this. So, yeah, man, taking a look at this sneaker, it's really like, I would say there's not a lot to this sneaker. It's really not a lot to this sneaker, but in simplicity often comes like greatness. And this shoe is like super simple. It is super simple. Take a look at that. It's just, it's the design here, right? It actually kind of look like an arrowhead, but we ain't gonna get on that part right there. But again, with the simplicity of this, man, with the rubber coming all the way up the quarter panel of the sneaker and wraps all the way around the toe box. And what I found is it's kind of hard to crease this joint, man, which makes me even more excited because we always trying to not crease our sneakers. But if you've been wearing sneakers long enough, you kind of know how to walk like a damn cat with socks on without scratching or creasing up your sneakers. But yeah, and you got this up top, this material up top here, and it's not a see-through mesh, but it is a mesh-like material here that stretches along the top part of the forefoot and goes all the way around the back of the sneaker here. And then what I felt like was very, very interesting. And then, again, these are not new to a lot of people, but I finally got my hands on them, and I just wanted to show you guys what I was messing with, if you feel what I'm saying. So yeah, and this carbon fiber like plate here in the back, bro, these shoes, for it to be Adidas, they take a lot of inspiration off of a pair of Jordans. If you look at this versus a pair of Breads, let's see what we got here. No, we're not doing this comparison, but I'm just saying, it just, yeah, black and red shoes are going to be pitted against each other anyway when you have that black and red combo. But if you really look at these and kind of like picture the flu games, they kind of give flu game vibes. I ain't mad at that though, because I actually love black and red. So here we go. Not a Georgia Dogs fan, but at the same time, black and red, bro, you can't go wrong with it. Now, let's get to the outsole of this thing, man. Take a look at that outsole. That is some creative stuff going on right there. You got the all red outsole, but you got the hits in the inside and those cutouts of black and white. Bruh, that is super solid. Again, it's just simplicity at its best on this sneaker. And you don't have much going on here. The sock liner on the inside of here on the, yeah, the sock liner ain't really got a lot going on with it. Simple AE logo here on the tongue. Let's see what we got on the insole here. I don't even want to take it out, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So on the insole here, we have Anthony Edwards. What we got on here? We got a model number, established, Georgia, 2001. Don't follow the wave. Again, this ain't new to a lot of people, but for me, this is new. I ain't really watched no sneaker reviews or no anything on this sneaker. I just know I had to have it, but I heard a lot of people talking about how comfortable it was, so I knew I had to have it. So yeah, there we go with that. So I'm super happy that I actually picked these up finally. Now on my list is to get a pair of the lows, because why not? These are that comfortable and feel so good on your foot. I can imagine what those lows feel like. But as far as sizing for me, I had to go up to a size 13, and I'm so happy I did, because normally I wear 12 and a half. So went up to a 13 on these, and it is a perfect fit. No extra room for sliding around. Again, I'm about to get back out there on that court. So yeah, we got them in, man. Finally, the Anthony Edwards 1 in the ruby red Georgia Dog colorway. It's your boy Money Matt, bro. Another sneaker drop. Not new to everybody, but new to me. Just wanted to give you guys my opinion on it. Let me know down in the comment section if you copped a pair of AE1s already, whether you copped a pair of the lows, or you fan of this shoe at all, or does it just look like a space boot? Let me know down in the comment section. Again, I'm your boy Money Matt, man. Hit me in the comment section. Hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Peace.